Welcome back to another of my online video tutorials under the topic interpenetration. In this particular video, I will be showing you how to draw the interpenetration for a cylinder that penetrates or a square that penetrates a cylinder. In the previous video, I drew this, so I will not be going through the process of doing this again. The first step here is to divide this into a number of equal parts. Some person might use 8, some person might use 12, some persons use 10. It is important to note that you don't necessarily have to divide this up into a number of equal parts. You could also use some horizontal lines, couple horizontal lines as well. Alright, but for persons who are following the book, I will use that technique. Alright, so I type div for divide, enter. The command bar says select object. I left click here. It says enter number of segments. In this case, I'm going to use 12. 1, 2, enter. So there we go. So my next step is to apply rectangle command. Alright, and I'm going to rectangle REC. I think I want a brighter line. Alright. So I want, alright, using this one. So I type REC for rectangle, enter. I then left click here for my start, then go down to the point where that touches there. That's my first point. That's point number 1. Yeah. For this, I will be deactivating the object snap, as this tends to want to snap onto some unwanted points. So for that, I type O snap, OSNAP, enter. I go up here, turn that off for now. Go back to rectangle, REC rectangle, enter. I then left click at this point. Ensure that this touches the 45-degree angle as well as the circumference. Left click there. So that now is the first point. I think this one went out a little bit too far. Delete. So REC for rectangle, enter. Left click here, and this one should be right here, just here, right there. Yes. Space bar to reactivate rectangle. Left click here, go down to where the rectangle touches the 45-degree angle. Then I drag it across. And I left click there. Space bar or enter key to reactivate the command bar. Left click here, and again I drag down to here, and that should end up right here. Alright. So that would have generated half of the profile. Spacebar to reactivate. Again, I come down here, and I could use this or that, same thing, doesn't make a difference. Could use this one, doesn't make a difference. Both are in the same plane, so it makes no difference. So I left click here. No, that is not in line. Alright, let me use this one. Left click here. Go down to that, and we can see that from that spacebar to reactivate. Go down to this point, left click there, go down to that and across, click spacebar, left click here, and go down to this, to that, and there we have it, profile. It is not very pronounced, but there it is. Now that I have zoomed in, it's more obvious. Then I change my outline layer. I then activate spline. For that I type SPL for spline, enter. And I need to turn on my object snap. So type O snap, OSNAP, enter. OSNAP, enter. I turn this back on, then OK. Now go back to spline, type SPL for spline, SPL, enter. Then we start the plot. We click here, click there. Turn off your orthogonal mode. It's very important. We don't want any straight line. And this there. Next point is here. Or I probably should stop here. We'll click here, enter. Then restart from here. Then go down to the next point here. Then go down to the last point, which is here. Then drag down a little bit, enter. Then trim, enter, enter. Left click, left click. So that's a part of it. We then need to draw a line here to represent this edge. So we go L for line, enter. Left click here, left click there. SNAP, enter. Oh, it wasn't activated, I realized. Alright, escape. So this is basically the interpenetration for this for a square that joins a cylinder. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe.